Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So our next chapter, it is chapter 16, percent or percentage. Now per means for every or out of, and cent means 100. Thus percent means for every 100 or out of 100. So this per means for every or out of, and cent means per 100. Okay, so percent means for every 100 or out of 100. Okay, now the symbol for percent, it is this thing. Okay, this is the symbol for percentage, and percent is the numerator of a fraction with the denominator 100. So fraction, if it has denominator 100 means it is percent. Okay, that is called a percent. 60 by 100. Here denominator is 100. So this is percent. What is the percent here? Its numerator is the percent. Okay, if a fraction has denominator 100 means 100, then its numerator will be the percent. Okay, 60 by 100, the percent it is 60 percentage. Okay, 60 out of 100. How we will write that? 60 by 100. Okay, so 60 percentage. This thing 60 by 100, we can write it as 60 percentage. Okay, thus a fraction, when a fraction is so expressed that its denominator is 100, the corresponding numerator is called percent or percentage. If a fraction has denominator 100, then its numerator is the percentage. Okay, 3 by 100, it is 3 percentage. 7 by 50. Here the denominator is not 100, so make it 100. How we can make a 50 100? By multiplying by 2. 50 into 2 we will get a 100. So 50 into 2. If you are multiplying denominator by 2, then numerator also you should multiply by the same number. Okay, so 7 by 50, it is 7 into 2 by 50 into 2. Numerator and denominator we multiplied by 2 in order to make the denominator 100. Okay, 50 into 2 you will get 100, 7 into 2 it is 14. So 7 by 50 equal to 14 by 100 you got. Now what is the percentage? It is 14 percentage. Okay. Now exercise 16a. First question, express each of the following statements in percentage form. First one, 13 out of 20. So you have to write this in 13 out of 20 in percentage form. Okay. 13 out of 20, we can write it as 13 by 20. Okay, in fraction, it will be 13 by 20. Now we need to write this in percentage form. Okay, in order to write this in percentage form, denominator, it should be 100. Okay, ഈ ഫ്രാക്ഷനെ പെർസെൻറ്റേജിലേക്ക് ആക്കണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ 100 ആയിരിക്കണം. So here the denominator is 20. So how can we make the denominator 100? 20 into 5 you will get 100. Okay, so 13 also you multiply by 5. Okay, now 13 into 5, what you will get? It is 65. So 13 into 5, 65 by 20 into 5, it is 100. So what you got? 65 by 100. If the denominator is 100 means what will be the percentage? Numerator. Okay, so it is 65 percentage. This will be the answer. Okay, next second one, 21x out of 30 are good. So you have to express this in percentage form. 21x out of 30. How you can write in fraction? 21 by 30. Okay, so you have to make express this fraction in percentage. So for that what to do? we have to make the denominator equal to 100. Okay. So 21 by 30. Here we can reduce this fraction first. 21 and 30 will go in 3. Okay, both are divisible by 3. So what we will get? 21 by 3, it is 7, and 30 by 3, it is 10. Okay, so we got 7 by 10. Now we can make the denominator 100. Okay, 30, actually we can't make 30 100. 30 into any number. Do we get 100? No. So you can make it like this. First you can reduce the fraction. 21 and 30, since 21 and 30 is divisible by 3, you can reduce the fraction. Okay, you will get 7 by 10. Now this fraction you can express in percentage form. How? Make the denominator equal to 100. Okay, here 10 is the denominator. 10 into 10 you will get 100. So 7 also multiply by 10. Okay, 7 into 10 it is 70 by 10 into 10 100. Now you got a fraction with the denominator 100. 70 by 100. So what will be the percent here? Numerator. It is 70%. Okay, so 70% of x are good. Next topic, converting a given fraction or decimal into percentage. So if a fraction or decimal is given, how you can convert to percentage? Let's see. So if you need to convert a given fraction or decimal into percentage, multiply the given fraction or decimal by 100 and at the same time write the sign of percentage. For example, let us take you need to convert this fraction 3 by 4 to percentage. So what to do? Multiply this fraction by 100%. Okay, 3 by 4 into 100%, you will get, on multiplying 3 by 4 into 100, you will get 75%. Okay, in order to convert a fraction to percentage form, just multiply the fraction by 100. Okay, similarly, in order to convert a decimal to percentage form, just multiply the decimal by 100. Okay, so exercise 16a, second question, express the following fractions as percent. First question, 3 by 200. So 3 by 200, this fraction you have to express as percent. So what to do? Just multiply the given fraction by 100%. Okay, by 100 you have to multiply. So here you can see 100, 2 zeros, 200, 2 zeros you can cancel. Okay, so what you will get? 3 into 1. Multiplication of fraction, you know, product of numerator by product of denominator. So here 3 into 1, 3 by, in the denominator 2 will come, 2. Okay, so 3 by 2%. Now here 3 you can divide by 2. Okay, so 3 on dividing by 2 you will get 1.5. Continue division till you get the remainder 0 by putting decimal point. Okay, so you will get 1.5%. Okay, so 3 by 200 it is 1.5%. Next, second one, 5 by 6. So in order to express this fraction as percent, just multiply it by 100%. Okay, so 6 and 100 both will go in 2. Okay, so 100 division 2 you will get 50. 6 division 2 it is 3. Now you can multiply. 5 into 50 it is 250. Okay, product of numerator by product of denominator. In the denominator only 3. So 250 by 3%. Next up, 250 you can divide by 3. So 3 into 8 24, 10, 3 into 3 9, again 1 you got remainder, so continue division by putting decimal point. So 83 point, now 10 division 3, 3, 9. So it will go on like this, 3, 3, 3 it will go. Okay, so the answer is 83.33%. Okay. You can write 250 by 3% in mixed fractional form also. Okay, since you will not get the remainder 0, you can write it in mixed fraction also. Then converting 250 by 3 to mixed fraction, you will get 83 1 by 3%. Okay, both answers are correct. In mixed fraction, if you are writing means 83 1 by 3%. In decimal, if you are writing means 83.33%. Okay. Third one, 65 by 80. So in order to convert this fraction to percent, just multiply it by 100%. Okay. So what you will get? 80 and 100. 1 zeros we can cut. Then 10 and 8 both will go in 2. Okay, 10 division 2 it is 5. 8 division 2 it is 4. Okay, so you will get 65 by 4 into 5. So first, product of numerator by product of denominator. 65 into 5. What you will get? It is 5 into 5 25, 6 into 5 30 plus 2 325 by 4. Okay, now dividing 325 by 4, you will get 81 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Okay, in this also we will not get the remainder 0. Okay, if you put decimal point and continue division, then also we will not get the remainder 0. So let's write this in mixed fraction form. Okay, so 325 by 4 on converting to mixed fraction, what you will get? It is 81. First write the quotient. Okay, 81, then remainder by divisor. 81 1 by 4. Okay, so on converting 325 by 4 to mixed fraction, you will get 81 1 by 4%. Okay, so this will be the answer. Next, third one, express as percent. In that first, 0.10. In order to convert decimal to fraction, we multiply the given decimal by 100. Okay, 0.10 you multiply by 100%. So what you will get? Multiplication by 100. Decimal point will move 2 places to the right. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. So what you will get? 10%. Okay, after 1 0 decimal point will come. So it is 10. Okay, 10%. Now second one, 0.02. In order to convert decimal to percentage, what to do? Multiply by 100. Okay, so multiplication by 100, this decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1, 2 here. Okay, that is 2%. Okay, next third one, 0.7. So 0.7, in order to convert this to percentage, multiply by 100. Okay, so decimal point. Multiplication by 100, decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1. Now in order to get the second place, you have to put 0. Okay, so this is 1, 2. So the answer will be 70%. Okay, after the 1, 2, after 70 decimal point will come. So it is 70%. Okay. Now fourth one, 0.15. So multiply the decimal fraction by 100. What you will get? Decimal point will move 2 places to the right. So this is 1, 2. Here will be the decimal point. That is 15%. Okay. Next, fifth one, 0.032. In order to convert this to percentage, what to do? Multiply by 100%. Multiply by 100. So, decimal point will move 2 places to the right. Okay. So, this is 1, this is 2 here. Okay. So, the answer will be after 3 the point will come. Okay. 3 point, after point 2. 3.2%. Okay. 003 we will write it as 3, then 3.2%. So next topic, converting a given percentage into a fraction or decimal. So percentage will be given, you have to convert that to fraction or decimal. Okay. So in order to convert a given percentage into a fraction or decimal, remove the sign of percentage and at the same time divide by 100. Very simple. 25%. Remove this percentage sign and divide that 25 by 100. Okay, you will get 25 by 100. Now 25 by 100 you can write this in its lowest form. Okay, 25 and 100 is divisible by 25. So 25 division 25 it is 1. 100 division 25 it is 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. 25% in fraction form it will be 1 by 4. Now if you are writing that in decimal form, 25% in fraction form it is 1 by 4. In decimal form if you are writing means 25% equal to 25 by 100. Division by 100, you know. Decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay, so here is the decimal point. This is 1, 2 here. So you will get 0.25. Okay, so in order to convert a given percentage to decimal or fraction, remove the percentage sign and divide it by 100. This is the step. Okay, so exercise 16a, in that fourth question, convert into fractions in their lowest terms. First one, 8%. So percentage is given, you have to convert this to fraction in lowest terms. Okay, so 8%, how you can write in fraction? 8. Now this percentage sign, remove this percentage sign and divide the number by 100. Okay, 8% it is 8 by 100. Okay, now 8 by 100. You can reduce this fraction to lowest term. Both 8 and 100 will go in 4. Okay, it is divisible by 4. So 8 division 4 it is 2. 100 division 4 it is 25. Okay, so what you will get? 2 by 25. This will be the answer. Okay, next second one, 20%. 20%, how you can write? It is 20 by 100. Okay, 20% it is 20 by 100. Now 1 zeros you can cancel. Now 2 by 10 you can reduce. 2 by 10 both will go in 2. Okay, 2 division 2 it is 1 and 10 division 2 it is 5. So what you will get? It is 1 by 5. Okay. Next, fourth one, 250%. 250% means it is 250 by 100. Okay, remove the percentage sign and divide it by 100. Now 1 zeros we can cancel. So you will get 25 by 10. Now 25 and 10 both will go in 5. So 25 division 5 it is 5, 10 division 5 it is 2. So what you will get? 5 by 2. Okay, this is the fraction in its lowest term. Now fifth question, 12 1 by 2 percentage. Okay, so 12 1 by 2, first we can convert this to improper fraction first. So what you will get? 2 into 12, 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 percentage. Okay, now how can you express 25 by 2 as fraction? I mean, in order to convert this percentage to fraction, what to do? Remove this decimal, percentage sign and divide it by 100. Okay, so what you will get? 25 by 2 by 100. Okay, in order to convert fraction, percentage to fraction, what to do? Remove this percentage sign and divide it by 100. Okay, so 25 by 2 percentage, you will get 25 by 2 by 100. Okay, percentage 25 by 2 percentage fraction like convert and percentage sign remove here and divide by 100. So 25 by 2 by 100 you will get. Okay, now division of fraction. What to do? Write the dividend as it is, 25 by 2. This is the dividend. So 25 by 2. Now this by sign, division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Now divisor, take its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 100, it is 1 by 100. Okay, division of fraction. Write the dividend as it is, change the division sign to multiplication sign, replace the divisor by its reciprocal. So 25 by 2 into 1 by 100. So multiplication of two fraction, product of numerator by product of denominator. What you will get? 25 into 1 by 2 into 100. Now 25 and 100 both will go in 25. 25 division 25 1, 100 division 25 4. So 1 into 1 1 by 2 into 4 8. So this will be the answer, 1 by 8. Okay. Next, fifth question, express as decimal fraction. First one, 25 percentage. So 25 percentage, first you can write in fraction. So what to do? 25 by 100. Remove this percentage sign, then divide it by 100. Okay, 25 by 100. Now converting this to decimal form. Division by 100 it is. Okay, so decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay, so here will be the decimal point. Moving this decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2 here. Okay, you will get 0.25. That is 0.25. In order to convert percentage to decimal, what to do is first convert that to fraction. 25 percentage it is 25 by 100. Now converting this to decimal, you will get 0.25. Okay, now second one, 108 percentage. So 108 percentage, how you can write in fraction? It is 108 by 100. Now converting this to decimal form. Division by 100, decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay, here is the decimal point. This is 1, 2 here. So 1.08 will be the answer. Okay, decimal point will move 2 places to the left. So this is 1, 2. Here will be the new decimal point. You will get 1.08. Okay, now third one, 95 percentage. 95 percentage means it is 95 by 100. So in decimal form, how we can write this? Division by 100. So decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Here will be the decimal point actually. Moving this decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. Here will be the new decimal point. So you will get 0.95. 0.95 means it is 0.95. Okay. Next, fourth one, 4.5 percentage. So 4.5 percentage means it is 4.5 by 100. Remove this percentage sign, divide by 100. Okay, so you will get 4.5 by 100. Now, in decimal form, how you can write this fraction? Division by 100. So decimal point will move 2 places to the left. Okay, so this is 1. Here, second place you have to put 0. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Here will be the new decimal point. So what you will get? 0.045. That means 0.045. This will be the answer. Okay. Now sixth question. Express each of the following numbers as percent. In that first one, 7. Okay, so this number you have to express as percent. Okay, so 7. It means in fraction form it is 7 by 1. Okay, just 7 means it is 7 by 1. Now how you can convert a given fraction to percentage? Just multiply by 100. Okay, in order to convert a fraction to percentage, just multiply the fraction by 100. That we know. Okay, so what you will get? 7 into 100, it is 700 percentage. Okay, next second one, 2. 2 means it is 2 by 1. Now in order to convert this fraction to percentage, what to do? Multiply by 100 percentage. So what you will get? 2 into 100, 200 percentage. Okay. Third one, 19.5. So 19.5, how we can write in fraction? First, this is decimal form. Okay, this is in decimal form. How you can write a decimal fraction in fraction form? First, write the decimal form without decimal point. 195 divided by, after decimal point, 1 digit is coming. So what will be the denominator? It is 10. Okay, you have studied about this in chapter decimal fraction. Conversion of decimal fraction to fraction. Okay, first write the decimal fraction without decimal point. You will get 195 divided by, after decimal point, 1 digit is coming. Okay, so it will be division by 10. Now convert this fraction to percentage. So in order to convert fraction to percentage, multiply by 100. Okay, so what you will get? Here 10 and 100 will go in 10. 10 division 10, 1. 100 division 10, it is 10. Now 195 into 10, it is 1950 percentage. Okay. Next, fourth one, 5.37. So first convert this decimal fraction to fraction. How you can convert? Write the decimal fraction without decimal point. You will get 537 divided by, after decimal point 2 digits are coming, so division by 100 it is. Okay, 537 by 100. How you can express this fraction in percentage? If the denominator is 100, numerator will be the percentage. 537 percentage. Okay. Exercise 16a, do the remaining problems as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.